guys, how's it going? It's me, Lisa. It's me. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's Friday. I got everybody with me. So first thing we're doing is we're gonna get the truck washed because it's really dusty and dirty. So we're here now at the tractor supply store. We're here to pick up deer corn because we need to keep the deer fed all year. There's none, so they're gonna look to see if there's any in the back because we have to go to the ranch tomorrow and refill the feeders. We're just waiting, and my phone's gonna die because I've been vlogging with my phone. Hey guys, good morning. We are at tractor supply store. The one that we were at last night didn't have deer corn, and the guy even told us it's because it's out of season. So we went to the one that we have Firehouse, which is kind of like on the way out of town. Here they had some. They had like pallets of it. So
deer are gonna be happy.
So they're all back there. We bought 18 bags. So we're gonna try these tacos from a new place. This is their potato and egg. Bacon and egg. It looks good. There it is. See it? So this is their salsa. This smells good, like a taquitos salsa. They're really good. I'm gonna share with you where I live. I live in the RGV, the Rio Grande Valley. This is a little place called Susie's Tacos, right off of Expressway 281. I know I've mentioned a lot that I live in South Texas, but I live in the RGV. So this is their carne guisada. See it? Here it is. This is the most common carne guisada you find. Like this. You see it? Let me show y'all guys something. So if you ever go to HEB and you're gonna buy chorizo, this is chorizo de San Manuel. That's because it's San Manuel, Texas, a little bitty town. They have, I think it's the best chorizo.
It is the best.
It's not as much, it doesn't render too much fat. I don't know, it's just something about it, it's really good. This place right here, Oasis Restaurant, has been there for years, right, Dad?
Oh yeah, like when I was like 5 years old, so 35 or longer.
And they have really, really, really great food. It's really good there. Total locals, ranchers, because we're going into the area where like ranching, right, Dad?
Yeah, that's why every store sells deer blinds and deer corn.
That's
and hay, all the stuff you need out of the ranches.
It was a school.
It's down the road now.
Yeah.
It's the only store here. The only restaurant here.
Very clean.
There's a Subway inside the gas station.
Yeah. I just love it out here. Okay. So?
2 bags in this one.
So how long did it last?
Well, these ones had extra, so
Okay, I see.
we need to check the small ones.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, that was the first one to go. Yeah, so now you to see how much these things will hold. You're asking about, is 18 too much?
Tell them what you're doing.
Replace the battery. This one's dead. That's probably why there was no corn when we got here. All of these will have a test button, so you can test it, and it'll do a round, just to let you know it's working. This is a non-timed one. This one is a day and dusk till dawn. It's got a sensor, so when it turns daylight, it throws out, and when it gets dark, it throws out. So when we switch the battery, I'll let y'all see it get tested.
Damn, it freaking goes everywhere. See?
All right, one down, 6 to go.
Did I show you all the corn in the back? I think I did, right?
What?
All the corn in the back?
Yeah.
We have 18 bags.
18 bag, 40-pound bags of corn, and then we have two 50-pound bags of protein, which we're gonna be installing a protein gravity feeder. Yeah. All right, can you dump it or no?
No, you should.
Throw that on the list. No.
Let Dad fill it.
You pick it up to me.
I can help you pick it up. Ranch, working on the ranch, like what they're doing, because they're about to install some protein feeders. This isn't for me. I came because I was like, yeah, sure, that sounds like fun. I'll go through the ranch. I like to come when it's hunting and the cooking and that kind of ranching. But working on the ranch like this just isn't for me, guys. But I'm here, so I'm gonna do the best I can. So what are you doing here?
I'm gonna be installing a gravity feeder. Protein feeder.
Oh, okay.
Come help me. Can you get a hold this in place?
Stuff like that. Remember my school uniforms?
Okay.
The belts were like that. It's called Golden Deer Nuggets.
Golden Deer Nuggets.
See.
Smell it though.
Let me smell it. Ooh.
Smell it?
It smells really, really good. Like sweet. Watch the thing fall. Get it? Open it up more. There you go. Wait.
I got you.
Okay, a little bit more.
All right, Cocoa Puffs. There. I think that's good. Yeah, I think
You
that's
see
good.
how they look?
Why? The lids.
They smell like... What is that smell? It's like a candy smell, but like...
It is blueberry.
You know what it smells like? It smells...
Wild berry flavor. I thought you were tasting it.
What are you doing? Oh.
I was trying to flip the screen. I'm not gonna taste it, but... Have you ever tried those chamoy tamarindo candies?
It goes in or out? Like inside the
You have the chamoy tamarindo candies? This is exactly what that smells like. So this is blind number 4, right?
Feeder number.
I mean, sorry, feeder number 4.
And cameras back there.
Hoy las vacas. Feeder number 4. I didn't show you feeder number 3. Okay, let me show you where I'm going here. So at each feeder we have a camera, a motion camera. This is the view. This must be boring for some of you guys. I'm sure most of you have fast forwarded this part. And we are done. My phone is going off. Oh, it's cold. So it's, what did I say? It's 12:30 now. And we're leaving the ranch. And we are headed an hour and a half down. We're going to my cousin's house. So we just got here to my cousin's. It's actually later, like 4 o'clock. We ended up stopping at the house, and then we ended up coming over here.
Not later. It's like
What? It's like 4 o'clock.
got home at 2.
Dolly, I'm looking for you. Say hi.
Hi.
Hola.
Hi, babe.
Say hi.
Ah!
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
Good,
Good.
good, 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 yeah.
Good.